Hello, future scientists! Have you ever wondered how engineers measure tiny objects? Today we use a Vernier Calipers. We're going to use a Vernier Calipers to measure the external diameter, internal diameter, and depth of a solid cylinder. Let's become measurement experts together. Welcome! Today we'll perform one of the most important physics. We will use a Vernier Calipers.
Ma'am, I've seen this instrument, but I never knew how to use it correctly.
Don't worry, Bushra. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently. Before we begin, let's identify the parts of the Vernier Calipers. Main scale, Vernier scale, Vernier scale. Outside jaws, inside jaws. Depth rod, lock screw.
Now I know each part has its own purpose.
Exactly. Learning the parts makes the practical much easier. First, we'll measure the external diameter of the solid cylinder. Close the jaws, Lee, until they just touch the cylinder.
Why shouldn't we press too hard?
Because too much pressure can affect the reading, and give an inaccurate measurement. Now we're measuring the external diameter of a solid cylinder using the outside jaws of the Vernier Calipers.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's measure the internal diameter. Insert the inside jaws into the opening and gently expand them until they touch both inner.
These small jaws are perfect for measuring inside spaces.
Exactly. That's why this instrument is so useful in science and engineering. Next, we'll measure the depth using the depth rod. Make sure the rod touches the bottom before taking the reading.
That's easier than I thought.
Let's read the main scale reading.
Okay, teacher.
Now check zero error on the Vernier calipers before measurement.
Okay.
I am writing the reading on practical notebook.
Okay. I will check these values and formula calculation. Always remember these 3 simple steps. Read the main scale, add both readings.
So final reading, main scale reading plus scale reading.
Excellent, Bushra. That's the correct formula.
Oops, I tilted the Vernier calipers.
That's a common mistake. Always keep the instrument straight. Also remember too tightly. Also remember, don't press the jaws too tightly. Check for zero error before measuring. Read the scale at eye level. Record the reading carefully. Let's see what you've learned. Which jaws measure the external diameter?
The outside jaws.
That's right. Which part measures depth?
The depth rod.
What is the formula for the final reading?
Main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading.
Excellent! You're ready for your practical exam.
Congratulations! Today you've learned how to measure the external diameter, internal diameter, and depth of a solid cylinder using a Vernier calipers. Practice these steps carefully. You'll perform this experiment with confidence in your physics laboratory. Thank you, Dr. Komal. This practical was simple, interesting, and easy to understand.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting science practicals. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!